Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to learn about Scilab simple numericals like we just write 2 plus operator 3 dot operator 4. That means you can see also SQRT stands for square root. Look this one. Or if you write anything else or in capital SQRT. So you should know Scilab is the case sensitive. So it won't give you result. And for particular numbers means percentage E means epsilon value. If you write percentage pi, it will give pi value 3.14. Of a further case, percentage I represents the I of complexes in input and is displayed I in output. Here you can see. Or if you wanna clear console history,